Hola beauties and welcome back. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If this is your first time here, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, let me first say thank you for your continued support and welcome back. Today's video is another fashion edition video. I am doing another try-on haul, and this try-on haul is featuring Chic Me. On Instagram, they are at Chic Me Official. This is another online boutique similar to Shein. Before I get into the try-on haul, let me just tell you, this company was totally different from Shein. Shein, it took me like 2 weeks to receive my package. This company, I ordered August 1st. I didn't receive my order until September 6th. Too long. They have really cute items. They are very inexpensive, but the shipping, because it is coming from China versus Shein that has warehouses in different states, and that's how your items are shipped. I'm not saying don't order from them, but if you want something and you see something and you're trying to have it for a special event or something, you need to order way ahead of time. Another issue that I ran into that I wasn't too happy about, and it kind of had me like, I ordered a total of 7 pieces. I only received 5 because 2 of them were out of stock. It did not tell me that it was out of stock when I placed my order. I was able to place my order, paid my money, and then like 2 weeks after I placed my order, I received correspondence telling me that those items are out of stock. I didn't like that because those were 2 of my favorite pieces out of everything that I ordered. They did give me the option to get a refund or to order something else, and I just opted for the refund. I received my refund in a matter of like 2 business days, so it wasn't bad. Let me also say that I have ordered from Chic Me before, but it was so long ago, I kind of did not remember the shipping time frame of when I ordered and when I received my item. Let's just get into the video. I am beginning with this top, one of the tops that I ordered. I really like it. The only thing is I cannot button this top button because if I do, it'll have this little peekaboo, and I don't want that. Whenever I wear it, I'm sure I'll put something on underneath, but I'm doing the video and I just wanted you all to see. This is the back. And I love these sleeves. It's very roomy. It fits really well. It's not too tight. This is the only issue right here. The fact that I could not button this top button, and I'm sure it's because of these. And this top is an extra large. It did tell me there was no stretch. So with not having any stretch, and it's a button-up shirt, and I have larger breasts, I decided to go with the extra large. There are 3 buttons here. I only have the top button on each one because I just wanted to make sure that it would button and it wasn't too tight, and it is not too tight. It's actually roomy. Comes over my hands a little bit, which I like that look. So overall, I really like this top. I like the pink, the white, really cute. Before we go any further, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, stop right now. Click that subscribe button. Make sure you become a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad. Don't forget to click your bell because I know you don't want to miss out on any of my uploads. Don't forget, always check the description box. It might be a list of products, might be links to whatever is being featured in the video. Make sure you leave me a comment to let me know that you were here. And of course, make sure you share. Sharing means caring, and it is very important. So please share the video. Now, this is the second look. This is another top. Really cute, short sleeve, cold shoulder. In case y'all don't know, the tops that are like this, where you have the holes and you can see the shoulders, these are called cold shoulder tops. It does button in the back. I don't have it buttoned. This top is a size large and it's a little bit fitted. It complements you better if you have a smaller waistline, which I don't, but I'm still gonna wear this top. Let me back up so you can see. So it's very fitted. The back, let me let you see. Buttons right here. There's one button there. I just fell in love with it when I saw it. I love the ruffle detail here. I like the neckline. You will possibly need a strapless bra with this, or if you wear the clear straps, it'll look good, but it looks better like this where you can see the detail of the top and the way it's made. Okay, this is item number 3, which ended up being really cute. When I first took it out the package, I was like, there's no way I'll be able to fit that, because it looked so tight and so small. It's a size large. It's a jumper. This is one of the items that I wanted to feature for the summer try-on haul, but it didn't make it. But it's cute and it could still be worn in the fall. Just put a cute little jacket over it, or you can layer it with a sweater with some boots. Either way, but it could still be worn during the fall. Let me step back so you can see. Really cute. Look at this. Let me step back. But it's a really cute jumper. It has this string, which I thought I can pull it to make it, to bring it in more right there. But this string is just a mock string. I am very pleased. Jumper is very fitted, but yet it's loose. And it also has pockets. I like it. Item number 4, really cute. I know I say that about everything because I just feel like everything that I've chosen is really cute. But y'all know I couldn't have a try-on haul without my favorite bodycon dress. This is a really cute bodycon dress. It has really fun colors in it. Again, this can be worn in the fall as well, or I could just put it away. Whether, because I do reside in Houston, Texas, and it could be the fall, and then we may have a day that it's the summer. So whenever the weather permits, I will definitely pull it out. But anyway, really cute bodycon dress. It says, every day is a fashion show and the world is your runway. It says it all throughout the dress, everywhere. But let me just step back so you can see. Yeah! Told y'all it was really cute. Look at this. Comes with a tie belt. This is the back. It zips up. I don't have it zipped all the way up, but this is the back. It's a size large, full of stretch, which I love. Stretch is a curvy girl's best friend. Look at this. Really cute. These fun colors. I love this. I love it. Love it. Hey, this is the last and final piece of this try-on haul. It's a long maxi dress. You see me fiddling with this top because, baby, the girls are out. I would definitely have to put something under here. I'm doing this for the sake of the video, once again. It is a size large. Really cute. Let me step back. Ooh. Gotta step all the way back for y'all to see this one. Long maxi dress. The little belt. It doesn't have loops. You just have to put it around there and tie it however you want. It has pockets. This is the back. It's A-line all the way to the floor, and that is how I like my maxi dresses. I love the fit of this dress. I don't know what this material is, but it's a very soft, stretchy material. I fell in love with these colors. That's what made me order the dress. I want to close out this haul now. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you in the future. And of course, in order for you to remember and know, you have to click your bell. Make sure you check the description box. Leave me a comment to let me know how you like this video. Also, let me know what else you would like to see. I am a lover of all things beauty, so whatever it is, if you want to know something, if you have any questions regarding fashion, hair, if I can answer it, I will bring it to you in the form of a video. And don't forget, you already know, share. Share, share, share. I appreciate your share. I will see you all, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios.